everyone, I'm Libby.
And I'm Constantinos.
And this is our van tour. Our van is called Mollie and she is a 1984 VW T25 camper van. Let's show you around. So this is our kitchen area. Under here we have our sink. Just here we have our cooker. And the gas is kept under here, just here. This is where we store all our food. It's a bit messy at the moment. And this is our fridge. We love our fridge. You can fit a freezer up here as well, but we don't feel like we need one at the moment. And then here is just extra storage, and then we hang our tea towels on here.
Some of the cool features in our van are, first of all, our underfloor heating for those really cold mornings. Secondly, our Victron Energy solar controller, which controls our 120 watt solar panel. We've also got two 240 volt sockets whenever we have a hookup. And lastly, we have a really cool swing, which we're going to show you in a bit.
So this is our table. So you just put this bit in here, and then this bit goes on top, like that. So this is our wardrobe where we keep half our clothes and the other half of our clothes live up here. Inside we have a mirror where I do my makeup in the mornings, and we also have a linen bag to put all our dirty clothes.
You're probably wondering where we go to the toilet. I'll show you. Ta-da! Here we've got our toilet roll, and here we've got our toilet. Perfect.
So safety always comes first in our van. We have a fire extinguisher just under the driver's seat here. We also have a fire blanket up here, and we have a carbon monoxide alarm above the kitchen too.
And a high-vis jacket.
And a high-vis jacket.
This is one of the best creations we've done for the van, our outdoor table, for especially days like this when we can cook outside and just enjoy this weather.
This is our van swing. We are absolutely in love with it, and we literally use it everywhere. And that's the end of our van tour. Thank you so much for watching.
We're currently travelling from the UK to Cyprus, so if you would like to follow our journey, click on the link below. Bye!